Namaste and welcome to Hindi with Bindu Udayan, where you will be getting English explanation to most of your Hindi lessons. Freedom is not bestowed, it must be achieved. On 19th November 1828, a great warrior was born, an epitome of bravery, an icon of Indian freedom struggle, Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmi Bai. Her bravery and courage shook the very roots of British Empire. Here is a powerful poetic tribute by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan to the epitome of bravery, Jhansi ki Rani. This video comes with the 10th lesson from class 6th, Jhansi ki Rani by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. The poem captures the bravery of Rani Lakshmi Bai, who was the prominent freedom fighter of 1857 revolt, India's first war of independence. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan, the woman who penned this powerful poetic tribute, was no less valiant than the Queen of Jhansi herself. She too dedicated her life to the cause of India's freedom. Subhadra was born into a conservative zamindar family in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh on August 16, 1904. She started writing at the age of 9, using the pen as a weapon against social injustice such as caste, gender, and class discrimination. She managed to write 88 poems and 46 short stories. Her most famous collection of poems is Mukul, which contains her immortal creation, Jhansi Ki Rani. She died on 15th February 1948. वीर रस की कविता झांसी की रानी का विषय 1857 के प्रथम भारतीय स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में लड़ने वाली झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई और उनके द्वारा अंग्रेजों के साथ लड़ा गया युद्ध है. The theme of this poem of Veer Ras is the battle fought by Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi and the British in the first Indian freedom struggle of 1857. कविता तत्कालीन बुंदेली लोकगीत को आधार बनाकर लिखी गई थी and the poem was written on the basis of a Bundeli folk tale. It is seen as a strong expression of Indian nationalism in Hindi literature. इसे कवयित्री द्वारा झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई के प्रति एक श्रद्धांजलि के रूप में भी देखा जाता है. This poem is considered as a tribute to Rani Lakshmibai by poetess Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. The British East India Company came to India as traders. They landed in the Indian subcontinent on August 24, 1608 at the port of Surat. Slowly but surely, the East India Company started to transform from a trading company to a ruling one. The powers of East India Company kept growing till 1858, when it was dissolved after the revolt of 1857, the first war of independence. The Indian Rebellion of 1857. The revolt of 1857 is also called the Sepoy Mutiny or India's first war of independence. It was started on 10th May 1857 at Meerut as the mutiny of sepoys of the British East India Company's army. Mangal Pandey dared to refuse to use the cartridges with animal grease and rebelled against the British. He killed a British officer, Major Hewson, and was arrested and hanged, thus becoming the first martyr of 1857 revolt. With this, Indian soldiers came in opposition to the British government and took a pledge to liberate the country from the British rule. The main centers of the revolt were Kanpur, Lucknow, Bareilly, Jhansi, Gwalior, and Ara in Bihar. The revolt of 1857 was an unprecedented event in the history of the British rule in India. It united, though in a limited way, many sections of Indian society for a common cause. Though the revolt failed to achieve a desired goal, it sowed the seeds of Indian nationalism. Here is a brief account on the brave Queen of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai, one of the great warriors of India's struggle for independence, was born on November 19, 1828 in Varanasi. She was named Manikarnika informally. Her mother, Bhagirathi Sapre, died when she was 4 years old. She was raised in an unconventional way by her father, Moropant Tambe, who worked as an advisor in the court of Peshawar in Bithur district. Lakshmi Bai reportedly learned how to ride a horse, shooting, self-defense, and archery as a child. She was married to Raja Gangadhar Rao Newalkar, the Maharaja of Jhansi, in 1842, and thereafter she became the Rani of Jhansi. After her marriage, Manikarnika was called Lakshmi Bai. The Queen's husband passed away in 1853 due to an illness. The East India Company took advantage of this situation and applied a British law called Doctrine of Lapse. Displeased by the injustice, Rani appealed to the British court for help, but was refused. The plan of Britishers was to annex Jhansi. Rani was determined to not give up on the dominion of Jhansi. She became bitter towards British and joined forces with the rebels against the British Empire. She was one of the leading figures of the Indian Rebellion of 1857 and became a symbol of resistance to the British Raj for Indian nationalists. She died on June 17, 1858, martyring her life for India's freedom. Jhansi Ki Rani, a powerful poetic tribute to the brave queen. Let's learn a few stanzas of this poem. सिंहासन हिल उठे, राजवंशों ने भ्रुकुटी तानी थी, बूढ़े भारत में भी आई फिर से नई जवानी थी, गुमी हुई आजादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी, दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी, चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Simhasan hill utte, the throne was shaken, the position of the kings were in danger. Rajvamshon ne bhrukuti tani thi, the kings raised their brows. Bhrukuti is the eyebrows. The kings were in tension. A tension spread among the royal kings. They were angry. बूढ़े भारत में भी आई फिर से नई जवानी थी. बूढ़ा भारत. Kavitri calls India old here. Being enslaved for almost 100 years, India had become weak like an old man. उस बूढ़े भारत में फिर से नई जवानी आ गई थी. In that old India, a new youthful wave was awakened. गुमी हुई आजादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी. People have realized the value, the worth of lost freedom. दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी. And they were keen, they were determined, and they united to get rid of the British rule. चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी. The old swords glittered again in 1857. San 57 is 1857. The war of independence began. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. We heard the song from the Bundele, from the Harbole. Harbole are the regional singers of Bundel region. From Bundele Harbole, we heard the song of courage, the courage of Jhansi ki Rani. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. And we learned how Jhansi ki Rani fought like men. So brave was the queen, Jhansi ki Rani. कानपुर के नाना की मुंह बोली बहन छबीली थी. लक्ष्मीबाई नाम पिता की वह संतान अकेली थी. नाना के संग पढ़ती थी वह, नाना के संग खेली थी. बरछी ढाल कृपाण कटारी उसकी यही सहेली थी. कानपुर के नाना की मुंह बोली बहन छबीली थी. छबीली मीन्स ब्यूटीफुल. Lakshmi Bai as a child was brought up with Nana Sahib, the son of Peshwa. Chavili was dear to Nana Sahib of Kanpur as his own sister. He used to call her Chabili because she was beautiful. Lakshmi Bai naam pita ki vah santan akeli thi. Lakshmi Bai was her name and she was her father's only daughter. नाना के संग पढ़ती थी वह, नाना के संग खेली थी. She was with Nana Sahib since her childhood. She used to learn with Nana Sahib and play with Nana Sahib. बरछी ढाल कृपाण कटारी उसकी यही सहेली थी. And her dear companions were Barchi, that is a spear, Dhal, shield, Kripan, the sword, and Katari, the dagger. वीर शिवाजी की गाथाएं उसको याद जबानी थीं. She learned by heart the stories of brave Shivaji and his valor. Great Shivaji was a source of inspiration for Rani Lakshmi Bai since her childhood. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. We heard from the Harbolas of Bundel region singing the courage of Jhansi Queen, and we learned how she fought like men, the brave queen of Jhansi. हुई वीरता की वैभव के साथ सगाई झांसी में. ब्याह हुआ रानी बन आई लक्ष्मीबाई झांसी में. वीरता is bravery and वैभव wealth and glory. The epitome of bravery was married in a grand manner to the king of Jhansi. ब्याह हुआ रानी बन आई लक्ष्मीबाई झांसी में. She came as a queen after marriage as Rani Lakshmi to Jhansi. राजमहल में बजी बधाई खुशियां छाई झांसी में. The palace was singing praises and there was happiness all around Jhansi. सुभट बुंदेलों की विरुदावली सी वह आई झांसी में. Subhat Bundelo refers to the brave soldiers of Bundel region. Virudavali are the songs of bravery. This means it was good luck for Bundelas that she came to Jhansi. A brave queen came to Jhansi. चित्रा ने अर्जुन को पाया शिव से मिली भवानी थी. It was like the marriage of Chitra to Arjun and Shiv to Parvati or Bhavani. They made a perfect couple. Bundele har bolon ke muh humne suni kahani thi. We heard the Harbolas of Bundel region sing the courage of Jhansi Queen. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. We learned how she fought like men, the brave queen of Jhansi. उदित हुआ सौभाग्य मुदित महलों में उजियाली छाई. किंतु काल गति चुपके चुपके काली घटा घेर लाई. तीर चलाने वाले कर में उसे चूड़ियां कब भाई. रानी विधवा हुई हाय विधि को भी नहीं दया आई. उदित हुआ सौभाग्य. She came as a fortune, a good boon. Mudit महलों में उजियाली छाई. Even the palace got lighted. Everyone was happy. किंतु काल गति चुपके चुपके काली घटा घेर लाई. But the bad times also followed. Death creeped in, which took away all the fortune, and the dark clouds were sighted. तीर चलाने वाले कर में उसे चूड़ियां कब भाई. Rani was used to bows and arrows. The bangles did not suit her hands. Rani Vidhava hui hai, as destined. Rani was widowed. विधि को भी नहीं दया आई. Even the destiny had no pity on her. निसंतान मरे राजा जी. रानी शोक समानी थी. And the king died without a successor. Rani was broken. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. बुझा दीप झांसी का तब डलहौजी मन में हर्ष आया. राज्य हड़प करने का उसने यह अच्छा अवसर पाया. फौरन फौजें भेज दुर्ग पर अपना झंडा फहराया. लावारिस का वारिस बनकर ब्रिटिश राज्य झांसी आया. बुझा दीप झांसी का. The lamp of Jhansi was put off. The king died. Seeing the helpless condition of Jhansi, Dalhousie was happy. राज्य हड़प करने का उसने ये अच्छा अवसर पाया. And this was the best opportunity for him to seize, to annex Jhansi. Foreign फौजें भेज, दुर्ग पर अपना झंडा फहराया. Immediately he sent for his troops to hoist the Union Jack on the royal fort of Jhansi. लावारिस का वारिस बनकर ब्रिटिश राज्य झांसी आया. And they emerged as a guardian to the orphan state of Jhansi. अश्रुपूर्ण रानी ने देखा, झांसी हुई बिरानी थी. Rani saw with tearful eyes. Jhansi was abandoned. It was destined. Jhansi was left lonely even without a queen. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. We heard the Harbolas of Bundel region sing the courage of the Queen of Jhansi. We learned how she fought like men, the brave Queen of Jhansi. This stanza reminds us of doctrine of lapse devised by Lord Dalhousie, who was the Governor General from 1848 to 1856. It stated that a kingdom could be annexed if the king died without a male heir. And British annexed many kingdoms in this way. Satara, Sambalpur, Udaipur, Nagpur, Jhansi, and Awadh were few of them. During that period, Lord Dalhousie was the Governor General of British India. The adopted child was named Anand Rao by Rani Lakshmi Bai. He was their legal heir. The British rulers refused to accept him as the legal heir, and Lord Dalhousie decided to seize the state of Jhansi according to doctrine of lapse. But Rani Lakshmi Bai was firm about protecting the state of Jhansi. She said, मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी. इस स्वतंत्रता महायज्ञ में कई वीरवर आए काम. नाना धुंधु पंत तांतिया चतुर अजीमुल्ला सरनाम. अहमद शाह मौलवी ठाकुर कुंवर सिंह सैनिक अभिराम. भारत के इतिहास गगन में अमर रहेंगे जिनके नाम. इस स्वतंत्रता महायज्ञ में, in this great war of independence, in this fight for freedom, kai veervar aaye kaam. So many brave soldiers lost their lives. Some of them were Nana Dhundu Pant, Nana Sahib of Bithur, Tantia Tope, Chatur Azimullah Sarnam, also known as Kranti Doot, the ambassador of revolution. Ahmad Shah Maulavi, a religious leader from Allahabad, ठाकुर कुंवर सिंह एंड सैनिक अभिराम. भारत के इतिहास गगन में अमर रहेंगे जिनके नाम. These names, their names will shine like stars in the sky of Indian history. इनकी गाथा छोड़ चले हम झांसी के मैदानों में, जहां खड़ी है लक्ष्मीबाई मर्द बनी मर्दानों में. Let's now leave aside the stories of bravery of all others. Let's move on to the battlefield of Jhansi, जहां खड़ी है लक्ष्मीबाई मर्द बनी मर्दानों में, where you can see the brave queen Lakshmibai, who stood like a man among the men, leading the soldiers in a men's attire. लेफ्टिनेंट वॉकर आ पहुंचा आगे बढ़ा जवानों में. लेफ्टिनेंट वॉकर who led the British army charged. रानी ने तलवार खींच ली. रानी drew out her sword. हुआ द्वंद्व आसमानों में and the war began. जख्मी होकर वॉकर भागा. उसे अजब हैरानी थी. वॉकर left the battlefield wounded. He was amazed, he was astonished at the queen's bravery. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. रानी बढ़ी कालपी आई कर 100 मील निरंतर पार. घोड़ा थक कर गिरा भूमि पर गया स्वर्ग तत्काल सिधार. Rani moved ahead. She reached Kalpi, crossing over 100 miles on her horse. घोड़ा थक कर गिरा भूमि पर. Being tired, the horse fell down and met with an instant death. यमुना तट पर अंग्रेजों ने फिर खाई रानी से हार. The British was again defeated by Rani on the bank of river Yamuna. विजयी रानी आगे चल दी, किया ग्वालियर पर अधिकार. Victorious Rani went ahead and captured Gwalior. अंग्रेजों के मित्र सिंधिया ने छोड़ी राजधानी थी. The friend of British, the Sindhiyas who were ruling Gwalior, left the throne to Rani. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. विजय मिली पर अंग्रेजों की फिर सेना घिर आई थी. अब के जनरल स्मिथ सन्मुख था, उसने मुंह की खाई थी. There was victory for freedom fighters, but the British army reorganized again and again. They were powerful, they were well equipped. अब के जनरल स्मिथ सन्मुख था. They attacked under the command of General Smith now. उसने मुंह की खाई थी, but he too was defeated by the brave Rani. काना और मंदरा सखियां रानी के संग आई थीं. युद्ध क्षेत्र में उन दोनों ने भारी मार मचाई थी. Kana and Mandara, friends of Rani, who accompanied Rani to the battlefield, they also fought gallantly in the battlefield. पर पीछे ह्यूरोज आ गया. हाय घिरी अब रानी थी. But Heroes came from behind, and Rani was surrounded. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. तो भी रानी मार काट कर चलती बनी सैन्य के पार. किंतु सामने नाला आया, था यह संकट विषम अपार. Rani still continued her war bravely among the British soldiers. किंतु सामने नाला आया, but she could not cross the stream, the canal that came ahead. This was a difficulty. घोड़ा अड़ा, नया घोड़ा था, इतने में आ गए सवार. The reason was that the horse was new. The horse could not cross the canal. Meanwhile, the soldiers came there. रानी एक शत्रु बहुतेरे, होने लगे वार पर वार. And Rani was all alone. After all, how long could she withstand without any support? She was being attacked from all the sides. घायल होकर गिरी सिंहनी, उसे वीर गति पानी थी. Wounded, she fell like a lioness and died like a martyr in the battlefield. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. The Harbolas of Bundel sang the courage of Jhansi Queen, and we learned how she fought, so brave like men, the brave Queen of Jhansi. रानी गई सिधार, चिता अब उसकी दिव्य सवारी थी. मिला तेज से तेज, तेज की वह सच्ची अधिकारी थी. अभी उम्र कुल 23 की थी, मनुज नहीं अवतारी थी. हमको जीवित करने आई, बन स्वतंत्रता नारी थी. रानी गई सिधार, रानी died as a martyr. चिता अब उसकी दिव्य सवारी थी. The fire burned her gallant body. मिला तेज से तेज, effulgence met effulgence. तेज की वह सच्ची अधिकारी थी. And the divine soul started her journey to meet the divine. अभी उम्र कुल 23 की थी. She was just 23 years old. मनुज नहीं अवतारी थी. She was not human. She was an incarnation, a spiritual soul. हमको जीवित करने आई, बन स्वतंत्रता नारी थी. A soul who came down to earth in the form of a human to show us the way how to lead a free life. दिखा गई पथ सिखा गई हमको जो सीख सिखानी थी. She taught us the way to fight for freedom and hold it with pride. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. जाओ रानी याद रखेंगे हम कृतज्ञ भारतवासी. यह तेरा बलिदान जगावेगा स्वतंत्रता अविनाशी. Go Rani, we people of India will ever remember your sacrifice. We are grateful to you. ये तेरा बलिदान जगावेगा स्वतंत्रता अविनाशी. This sacrifice of yours will lead us to move for independence, to fight for independence hereafter. होवे चुप इतिहास, लगे सच्चाई को चाहे फांसी. Even if the history remains silent, even if the truth is hanged. हो मधुमाती विजय मिटा दे गोलों से चाहे झांसी. Even if the proud British become victorious, and even if they destroy Jhansi with the bombs. तेरा स्मारक तू ही होगी, तू खुद अमिट निशानी थी. You will become the symbol of yourself. Your memories are enough to inspire us. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. We heard the Harbolas of Bundel sing the tale of the courage of the brave queen of Jhansi, and thus we learned how she fought so brave like men, the brave queen of Jhansi. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. So that was the tale of Rani Lakshmi Bai, such a courageous woman who kept fighting with the British till her last breath. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई अपने अभूतपूर्व साहस, शौर्य तथा वीरता से कई पीढ़ियों के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत बनी रहेंगी. उनकी वीरता का लोहा भारतवासियों के साथ अंग्रेजों ने भी माना था. स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में उनका योगदान अविस्मरणीय है. Rani Lakshmibai inspired many generations, thus becoming immortal in the fight for freedom. Such an extraordinary lady who tied her son onto her back while fighting the battle. will not be found again in the history of the world. Let's give a quick revision. कविता में किस महायज्ञ की बात की गई है? Which war of independence has been described in this poem? लक्ष्मीबाई किसके संग पढ़ती और खेलती थी? With whom did लक्ष्मीबाई learn and play in her childhood days? जब झांसी का दीपक बुझा तो कौन हर्षाया? Who was happy to know that the king of Jhansi was no more? रानी कितने मील पार करके कालपी आई? How many miles did रानी cross on her horse to reach कालपी? अंग्रेजों के मित्र कौन थे? Who was friends with the British? रानी की सखियां कौन थी? Who were रानी's friends? किसकी सेना ने रानी को घेर लिया? Whose army surrounded रानी लक्ष्मीबाई? आज जिस आजाद वतन में हम सांस ले रहे हैं, वह असंख्य वीरों के बलिदान का परिणाम है। आजादी के महासंग्राम में अनगिनत देशभक्तों ने अपने प्राणों की आहुति दी। इस आजादी की रक्षा करना हमारा कर्तव्य है। रानी का बलिदान हमें इस बात की प्रेरणा देता है कि अपने देश के लिए सर्वस्व न्योछावर करने का भाव रखना चाहिए। It is all because of the freedom fighters that we breathe in a free India today, that we prosper in a free country. The amount of pain and hardships they have endured cannot be put into words. The generations to come will always be indebted to them for their selfless sacrifices. Proud to be an Indian. My dear children, we must stay together and not let any hatred come between our unity. We must live up to the dream of these freedom fighters. Only then will we honor their sacrifices. Jai Hind. Hope you liked the explanation. Do like, share and subscribe. See you again in the next video with a new lesson.